Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Infiniti G35 Journey. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Infiniti has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include wood trim package, premium package, sport package, technology package, navigation package, MoonRoof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.